let's quickly run through setting the time on an old G-Shock DW-004. To enter time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our upper left adjust button. We'll hear the watch beep and our seconds will start flashing. We can zero this with our start stop button. To enter the next setting, we're going to press our mode button, which will allow us to adjust our time. If we press mode again, we'll be able to adjust our minutes. If we press mode once more, we can choose between 12 and 24-hour timekeeping. Mode once more will allow us to adjust our year. Mode again will allow us to adjust our month. And mode once more will allow us to set our day. After we're done with this, we simply press adjust once more, and now our time will be set. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.